morning students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain the topic addition without carrying of 2 and 3 digit number. Okay, suppose you have given the number 15 plus 23. As these are both of 2 digit number, so I have to replace this one under the tens place, then 5 under the ones place, then 23, so 2 under tens place and 3 under tens ones place. So 5 plus 3, keeping 5 in your mind and 3 in your hands, 5 after 6, 7 and 8, because you have to do the addition, no? So addition means you have to count forward. Okay, 5 after 6, 7 and 8. Now comes to the tens place, 1 plus 2, keeping 1 in your mind, plus 2, means you have to count forward, 1 after 2 and 3. So the number became 38. For no better, I am giving one more example to you. Suppose the number is given to you 125. It's a 3-digit number, and plus 32. It's a 2-digit number. How will you arrange this one, children? You have to first write down HTO. H stands for 100, T stands for tens, and O stands for ones. So as it is a 3-digit number, so in place of under 100, I will write 100. Then tens, under tens I will write 2, and then finally 5. Okay, plus 32 is given to you. 32 is the 2-digit number, so I have to write 3 under the tens place, then 0 under 0, that means O, or ones place I will write 2. So 5 plus 2, keeping 5 in your mind and 2 in your hands, 5 after 6 and 7. Here I put 7 under the ones place. Then comes to the tens place, 2 plus 3. 2 keeping in your mind and 3 in your hands, 2 after 3, 4 and 5. Okay, finally in the 100 place, only 1 is given to you, so I will make this one down and write here. So 157. To know more example I am giving to you. Suppose you have given 3 2-digit number. Okay, here it is given 3 2-digit number to you, 1 2 12, 3 5 35 and 4 1 41. So as these are the 3 2-digit numbers, so I will arrange this like this. I will have to write T and O. Under TO I will write 1 tens, 2 ones, that is 12. So I will write 1 here under tens, then 2 under ones. Then 35 I will write 3 under tens and 5 under ones. Finally 41 is given to you, so 4 under tens and 1 under ones. Now I will have to add 2 plus 5, keeping 2 in our mind and 5 in your hands, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now 7 again keeping in your mind, plus symbol is given to you, means you have to count forward, 7 plus 1, 7 after 1, 8. So I will write 8 here. Then comes to the tens place, 1 keeping in our mind, 1 plus 3, so 1 counting 3 forward, so 1 after 2, 3 and 4. Finally 4 is given to you, 4 plus 4, keeping 4 in our mind and these 4 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 88. Here one more example is given to you. Both the digits are of 100 place. Okay, so the number is given to you 505 plus 123. So I will write 5 under 100 place, 0 under tens place and 0 and 5 under ones place. Here 123, so I will put 1 under 100 place, 2 under tens place and 3 under ones place. So 5 keeping in our mind, plus 3, 5 after 6, 7 and 8. So I will write 8 here. Then 0 plus 2. As I told you, whenever you are adding any number with 0, the same number occurs. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So 5 keeping in our mind and plus 1. 5 after 1, 6. So I will write 628. In this way, children, you will have to add without carrying of 2 and 3-digit number. To to know clearly, I will have given you the example with the help of the TLM. Okay, I will show you the numbers. Here it is given the number 34 plus 75. Here 34 is a 2-digit number, so 3 will be under tens place. I will put this 3 under the tens place, then this 4, so 4 is under the ones place. Now I will put this 4 under the ones place. Now 7 and 5, 7 is under the tens place, so this 7 is under the tens place, so I will put 7 here. Okay, now this 5, so this 5 is under the ones place, so I will put 5 here. So what will be the answer, children? 5 keeping in our mind and 4 keeping in our mind and 5 fingers in our hand. 5, 4, because it is given plus to you, so you will have to count forward. 4 plus 5. How much, children? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I will have to put this 9 under the ones place. Now 7 plus 3. So 3 keeping in our mind and 7 in your hands. 3 keeping in our mind and 7 in your hands. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, here 10 comes. 10 means 2-digit number, no? So you have to put this 0 under the tens place and 1 under the 100 place. So the answer 34 plus 75 become 109. Clear, children? Now I am giving one more example to you. 125 means 125 plus 43. How will we write 125 with 43? Let's use this example with the TLM. Okay? Here it is given 125. 100. So 1 is under the 100 place. So I put 1 under the 100 place. Then 2 under the tens place. So I will have to put 2 under the tens place. Okay. Now 5. So 5 is under the ones place. So I will put 5 under the ones place. Then 4, 3, 43. Okay. So 4. Look at this one. This is 4, 3, 43. This is a 2-digit number. So first what we will write? Listen, children. When some children are writing, no, this 3 will be written under 5 and I will put this 3 under 5. Exactly under 5 you will have to put and write under this 3. We will put under exactly 5. Okay. Then this 4 will be under the tens place. So I will put this 4 under the tens place. Exactly I will have to write this 4 under 2. So what will be the result? The result 5 keeping in our mind and 3 in your hands. So 5 after counting 6, 7, 8. So I will have to write 8 exactly under ones place. Some of the children writing like this. They might be confused. Exactly 5 under 3. The answer is 8. So you will have to put 8 exactly under 3. Then 4 plus 2. Keeping 2 in your mind, 4 in your hands. You have to do after counting 2 after 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have to write and put this 6 exactly under this tens place. Okay. Now finally this one you have no place in the 100 tens place here, 100 place here. So 1 will come as it is. So it will become 168. Children, I am telling you so many times, some of the children while they are adding the numbers and writing the numbers, what they do, they write 5 here and under this one some of the children is writing like this and some of the children is writing like this. They might be confused by writing all these things. You have to write the numbers exactly whatever you are writing on the top, exactly that you will write these numbers and put this one. So this number became 1068. Now it is given one more example, 345 and 121. As these two are in the 3-digit position, so these are 3-digit number. Now this is 345 and this is 121. Let's start. What we will do? 345. I will have to put 3 under the 100 place. Right, children? Then this 4 under the tens place. This 5 under the ones place. Okay, now 121. So I have to put 1 under the, exactly under 3 I put 1. Okay, children, look at this one. I cannot write like this or else I will be confused. Exactly I will have to write like this, putting this 1 exactly under 3. Then this 2, I have to put this 2 exactly under 2. 4. Okay, I put this 2 exactly under 4. Then this one, so I have to put this one exactly under 5. Okay, now what we will do is, as it is given to do the addition, this means 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 5 after counting, 5 plus 1, 6. So I have to put this 6 here. Then 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, how much, children? 4 plus 2, 6. Right, I will again put this 6 here under the tens place. Finally, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, how much, children? 4. Okay, 4. I will write this 4. Okay, now this number became 466. Okay. One more example, I have given one more question to you, 3-digit with 2-digit, okay. So in this case, what is the number given to you? 204, okay. I will show you how will we do this one. It's a given to you 204, na? So it's a 3-digit number, so I have to put this 2 under the 100 place. Then this 0 under the tens place. Again 4 under the ones place, right? I will write like this, children. Next this one, 4 to 42 is given. 4 to 42 is given to you. So 4 to 42 is a 2-digit number. Under 0 I will put this 4. Okay. Then this under ones place 4. Here it is given to you. So under the ones place I will put this 2. So 4 plus 2. How much, children? 4 plus 2? 6. Right? Then 0 plus 4. As I told you, whenever we are adding 0 to any number, the answer will be that number only. That means that is 4. Okay? That will be 4. That will be 4. So this is 4. Okay. Now the remaining one is 2. So I have to put a 2 under it. I am searching for the 2, children. Yes, I got it. So this is the answer is. The answer finally is 246. When we are adding 204 with 42, the answer is 246. Finally, the last example I am giving to you. This 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. Okay. Here the 3-digit number is 333. Okay. 333. I will take out all these numbers and put all the 3's here. 3 is under 100 place. I am putting 3 under 100 place. Then another 3. This is under tens place. Okay. Now this 3 under ones place. Okay, children. Now this, suppose I am giving this one and the other example is 201. So I will take out this 200. So I will take 200. Then 0 under the tens place and 1 under the ones place. Okay. What will be the result? 3 plus 1, 4. Right. As I told you, whenever we are adding any number to the 0, we get the same number. So this is the same number. I put these 3 here. And this 3 and 2 become 5. Okay. So adding 333 with 201, the answer will be 534. Are you all clear, children? I think you don't have any doubt by addition without carrying.